Hey guys, hope you're doing well today. In this video, I'm starting a pretty good sized little project. It's a gantry walkway. It's going to be 15 feet high, 30 foot long. And it's going to be where they can pull salt trucks underneath and wash the bed out. Everything has to be galvanized. I'm building as much as I can in the shop, having it galvanized and bolting it together on the job site. Here's a CAD drawing of what I'm building. So we had shop drawings made to make everything nice and easy. So follow along, we'll get this done. The main structure of this is two 16 by 31 I-beams. They're 30 feet 5 inches long. Getting the plates cut out and going to start drilling the holes in this beam. So we'll drill all the holes first and then we'll get the plates welded on, and this one will be ready for galvanized. So there's two of these to do, and that's the major big pieces for this project. Hey guys, I'm here in Honduras. I'm really not sure where, but we're at the Puma getting coffee. Got my Americano, my black coffee. Let's give it a go. That's Honduras coffee. I'm gonna give that an 8.7 out of 10. The drill that I'm using, it's an Alpha RRB35B. It's a decent little mag drill. It's actually pretty light, no frills, and the speed is actually a little bit fast. This 13/16 annular cutter, it's probably at the very top end of the speed for that cutter. And if you're not familiar with the mag drill, it's a great tool. It makes things so much easier, and primarily designed for an annular cutter. With these 13/16 holes, this is the slug that comes out of it. So that's material that you don't have to drill. Saves a lot of time, makes a nice clean hole. This particular drill, it's 110 volt. It doesn't have the quick chuck. The handle only goes on one side, and it's a single speed. I primarily only use this in the shop. I have a Milwaukee that's a much better mag drill that I use for bigger stuff and on-site work. Here's the Milwaukee. As you can see, it's a whole lot more drill. It's got the quick release for your bit, which is really nice. The handle can go on either side, or you can use a 1/2 inch ratchet with it. And it's 2-speed. It's got your normal quill feed, but you can release it and run that up to put a longer bit, or you can put an adapter in it to run a regular drill bit. The other thing about this drill is the magnet on this one is mechanical. So no matter what, you can pull the battery out or whatever, and she's going to stay engaged. Where this one If you lose power, the magnet's coming off. But this is much faster because you're just flipping a switch. And this one you have to turn the handle every time to engage and disengage the magnet. So they both have their benefit. Depending on the job, depends on what drill I use. On the structural stuff, I'm running dual shield wire, 71T-1C1M, running 035. So I'm running at 28 volts, 527 inches a minute. So it's a pretty hot process. It's faster than stick welding, just as strong, same 70,000 PSI tensile. It's a good process. I'm actually using straight CO2 with this. You can use 75-25 or 90-10, but CO2 works really well, and it's a lot cheaper. Slag on this comes off super easy. Lays in there really nice. Also, with this dual shield, I normally just buy it in the 10-pound spools. I haven't had good luck with this wire once it gets old after it's open. I guess it absorbs moisture. For this job, I'm probably going to need 25 to 30 pounds of wire to do all this. So I'm just buying it in 10-pound spools. You can get it in the bigger spools, 30-pounders or whatever, but that's working for this. The next job I have doesn't call for dual shields, so I don't want to have no more than I have to left over. I've got all the main pieces on, as you can see on the bottom, and getting the stiffeners and stuff on the back. So what I'm doing is I only want to rotate this beam 4 times. So I welded it facing up, flipped it, going to weld these, then I'm going to flip the bottom up, weld everything, and final orientation will be upright and do the final welding. Makes it a lot easier to weld everything in a horizontal position. One thing to note on this dual shield is you don't want to do a bunch of manipulation with your gun. This bead here laid in there really nice with hardly any manipulation at all, just very, very little. It'll spread out on its own and lay in there. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you would, give me a like and subscribe and follow along on this journey as we get this thing built. And we'll see you on the next one.